Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create a silhouette effects using CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First, open your CapCut and then make a new project and then import your main video. You can use any video, but I recommend using one that already has some silhouette-like elements, like this. Next, just import the video that you want to turn into a silhouette. And then go to remove background. And then choose custom removal and use the brush to keep only the object that you want to turn into a silhouette. Like this, and then after that just go to adjust and then set the saturations to 0 and then go to graph and then adjust it until the object becomes completely black, like this. And then add a blur effects to make it smooth. Maybe like this. And then just adjust the positions of your object to make it more realistic. And let's play the video. And okay, just like that, you have created a silhouette effects with a few simple steps. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.